Hey guys, this is how to increase storage in a Gmail account. So first thing that you will do, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on this icon over here. And after that, just click on see all settings over here. And from here, just simply go for inbox and just simply go for updates over here. And after that, just simply scroll down and tap on save changes down below. And from here, as you can see, it pretty much clear up my primary. And when we go to updates, this is all of the spam or the updates mail that I received. In order for you to clean up your Gmail, you can do this method that I'm going to show you. So from here, you can do this. Just select a mail and right click on it. And from here, you will have this icon over here, find emails from Duolingo. So just simply click on that. And from here, you'll be able to see all of the emails that has been sent to you. And from here, you can just simply select all of them and you'll be able to delete them. And there you go. That is one way to delete your Gmail, and that is one way to organize them as well. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!